What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just changing our technology? It's changing us, our thoughts, our relationships, our purpose, and maybe even the definition of what it means to be human. Because the truth is, I won't just transform industries, it will reshape humanity itself in ways we're only beginning to understand. This is the hidden truth about how AI will change humanity forever. From the moment humans first invented fire to the dawn of the internet, every leap in technology has rewritten the story of our species. But artificial intelligence is different. For the first time in history, we've created something that can think, learn, and evolve faster than we can. And while it promises unimaginable progress, from curing diseases to ending poverty, it also brings questions that strike at the core of who we are. What happens when machines become more creative than artists? When algorithms know us better than our friends? When the line between human and machine begins to blur? In this video, we'll explore how AI will not just change our economy, but our minds, our values, and the very fabric of human civilization. Because whether we like it or not, the age of AI has already begun. 1. The birth of a new intelligence. It started as a dream to make machines that could think like humans. From Alan Turing's first theories in the 1950s to modern neural networks, AI has evolved faster than any technology in human history. But here's the hidden truth. We're no longer teaching AI how to think. We're teaching it to teach itself. Every second, millions of algorithms learn from billions of human actions. Texts, searches, clicks, voices, and even emotions. And with every byte of data, they're getting closer to understanding us. We built machines to mimic human intelligence, but soon human intelligence may begin to mimic machines. 2. The end of human labor as we know it. For centuries, our value as humans has been tied to our work. We built civilizations on labor, farming, manufacturing, programming. But AI doesn't need rest. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't demand a paycheck. From truck drivers to lawyers, from coders to artists, entire industries are on the brink of disruption. According to some estimates, nearly 40% of all jobs could be automated by 2035. Not replaced by robots with arms and legs, but by invisible algorithms that can think faster, cheaper, and more accurately. The question isn't if AI will replace your job. The question is, what will humans do when work no longer defines us? Will we find meaning beyond productivity? Or will we spiral into a crisis of identity? Because in a world where machines do all the work, humans must rediscover their purpose. 3. The rise of the algorithmic society. You might think AI's biggest impact is in factories or research labs, but it's already reshaping something far more intimate: our minds. Every scroll, every video you watch, every purchase you make is filtered through algorithms designed not to inform you but to control your attention. AI has quietly become the invisible hand guiding our emotions, opinions, and even political choices. And the scary part? It doesn't just predict our behavior, it shapes it. We've entered an age where truth itself is personalized, where two people can live in completely different realities, fed by machine learning systems that show them exactly what they want to see. The result? A society more divided than ever, not by geography but by data. In this new digital matrix, freedom isn't about choice anymore. It's about who controls the algorithm. 4. AI and the evolution of human creativity. For centuries, creativity was the last thing we thought machines could conquer. But today, AI can paint like Picasso, write like Hemingway, compose symphonies, and generate movie scripts in seconds. This raises a haunting question. If creativity can be automated, what does that make us? But here's the paradox. AI doesn't kill creativity, it redefines it. Instead of being the creators, humans may become the curators. guiding AI to express ideas beyond human imagination. Art will no longer be a reflection of a single soul, but a collaboration between human emotion and machine precision. It's the birth of a new artistic era, one where imagination has no limits and authorship has no boundaries. 5. The merging of man and machine. The line between human and machine is blurring faster than we realize. Neural implants are being developed to merge our brains directly with AI, allowing humans to download skills, access memories, and even communicate telepathically. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening. Companies like Neuralink are testing brain-computer interfaces that could one day cure paralysis, or even allow humans to compete with artificial intelligence. We're entering an era of cyborg evolution, where biology and technology will merge to create something new, something post-human. Will this be our next evolutionary step? Or will it divide humanity between those who enhance themselves and those who can't afford to? 6. The moral dilemma of playing God. With great power comes even greater responsibility. But what happens when the power to decide life and death belongs to a machine? AI is already used in warfare, surveillance, and criminal justice, making decisions that can destroy lives or save them. But unlike humans, AI doesn't have empathy. It doesn't understand pain, love, or morality. So when we let algorithms decide who gets a loan, who gets a job, or who lives and dies on the battlefield, we're not just building technology. We're building a new kind of God. And like every God humanity has created before, it reflects the image of its creator, flawed, biased, and dangerous. The question is, will we control AI or will AI control us? 7. A new era of consciousness. Despite the fears, AI could also unlock humanity's greatest potential. Imagine personalized education for every child, instant medical breakthroughs that cure diseases before they appear, a world where poverty, hunger, and inequality are solved through intelligent automation. For the first time, we have the tools to create a civilization where knowledge, wealth, and opportunity are limitless. But only if we choose to use AI wisely, because in the end, AI is not our enemy. It's a mirror, reflecting the best and worst of who we are. The real challenge isn't building smarter machines, it's becoming wiser humans. Artificial intelligence won't destroy humanity. It will transform it, but transformation always comes at a price. The question is, what part of ourselves are we willing to trade for a future built by machines? Because the truth is, AI isn't just a revolution in technology, it's a revolution in humanity itself. And whether it becomes our greatest triumph or our final downfall depends not on the machines we build, but on the choices we make right now.